Hi, welcome to Creative Hobby Club. In this video we will learn about TubeBuddy and its features. So the first feature that we have is advanced video embed. In this, what all we can do. So create embed codes with full list of options for adding videos to or playlists to your website. So why you need this? YouTube only gives few basic options for embedding videos and playlists. So you want to customize the look of your embedded video or playlist. So you don't want to have to go to the video watch page to get the embed code of your own video. Okay, that is for the first feature of the TubeBuddy. Second feature we have is canned responses. Use pre-written messages in various areas of YouTube. So that is why you need it. You will find yourself writing the same response over and over in YouTube. You want to personalize messages but write them faster. So you want to write messages in your own wording, then have someone else use TubeBuddy to actually send the responses. And how do we use card template? Set any video as a template, then easily apply its cards to new uploads. So you are manually creating the same set of cards on all new uploads. You want to handle all these aspects of new uploads quickly and efficiently. You have different set of cards to apply depending on what type of video you upload. And we have comment formatting. Format your comments and replies with ease. So you want to easily apply bold, italic, strike through format to one of your comments or replies and know how it will look before click save. You want to easily remove all formatting from one of your comments or replies. You have Coppa Center. Learn more about Coppa Center and quickly identify which videos of yours rated made for kids by YouTube. Why you need this feature? Learn what Coppa means and how it can affect your channel. Scan your videos to identify which ones are marked as made for kids. See which videos that were rated for kids but you overrode as not made for kids. Then default upload profiles. This is very important feature in TubeBuddy where you can upload bulk videos with the default features. Create multiple default upload feature profile for each type of video you make. So YouTube only allows you to create one set of upload defaults, but with TubeBuddy you can have a number. You have different set of tags and boilerplate for your description based on what type of video you are uploading. You can apply these settings to existing videos too on video edit screen. And Emoji Picker. Add emojis to your titles, tags and descriptions. Why you need it? You can make your titles stand out in a crowd. You want to tag your videos in unique ways to help in related videos section. You don't want to have to visit an external site to use emojis. And end screen templates. This is also the best feature that we have. If you want to engage your viewers so that they can pick one by one video from your channel itself. So you can use this feature to set a video as an end screen template, then easily apply its end screen elements to new uploads. So using this feature, you are manually creating the same set of end screen elements on all new uploads. You want to handle all these aspects of new uploads easily and quickly, efficiently. You will have different set of end screen templates for applying different depending on type of video that you upload. And then playlist actions that we have, advanced ordering and filtering options for videos within playlists. So you want to order a playlist based on video engagement, subscribers gain and watch time. So want to randomize or alphabetize or reverse the order of videos in a playlist. you want to remove private and unlisted videos from the playlist. And then we have quick links menu, so easily navigate the common areas of YouTube without having to click 17 times. So YouTube makes you click 47 times or load 13 pages to simply get your my videos page. So you may have exaggerated slightly. So there are only a few areas that you go to all the time, and you should be able to get them more easily. It is coming soon. Customize the quick menu with your own links. Quick editor toolbar, easily navigate between videos while editing a list. So there is no way to easily edit videos in a playlist on YouTube without it. You are tired of having to click the my videos page every time you want to edit another video. So you like to be able to easily jump between videos using TubeBuddy. Then schedule publish. This is the best feature that we have, which is used to schedule the videos when you're doesn't want to upload all the videos at a time. You can do it one by one, that at a particular time on a day. And schedule video update. So videos can be videos updates at feature date or time. You can schedule to change a video title, tags, or description or thumbnail in future. So you want to or remove a video from playlists at a certain time in the near future. You can schedule a privacy change and all. Then sunset videos, schedule videos to be hidden or removed from the playlist at a future time. So using this feature, you need to set a video's privacy to private or unlisted at a certain time in future. So you want to remove a video for some or all your playlists at a certain time in the future. Protect yourself against licensed content. So with the thumbnail generator, this is the very best feature that we have in this TubeBuddy. Create professional quality thumbnails using still frames from your video or text to image overlays. Why you can spend too much time using Photoshop or taking screenshots, copying, pasting, adding, modifying, saving and uploading. You can save and reuse templates for a clean, consistent look across your video thumbnails. You are paying for an Adobe Photoshop license just to create YouTube video thumbnails. So YouTube Video Planner, it easily manage and get ideas for your future video topics. Why you need it? You have trouble coming up with ideas for new videos. You keep forgetting these great video suggestions from your audience in the video comments area. You don't have an easily accessible and reliable way of saving and tracking future video ideas so that it would give you the best videos that can be created for future, and your channel will grow. The videos grow. The same way you get new subscribers and also more views if you have TubeBuddy with you. So guys, let's use TubeBuddy for our channels.